Welcome to my channel Positivity with Geeta Iyengar. You know, most of the time we do not show our real self to others. We wear lot of masks. And when I look at all the birds, animals, they are the way they are because they don't have that one ingredient that we have, and that is what we call as logical, rational. We are reasoning animals, rational animal, and we play havoc with our lives with this. We have been rational animals so that we can think properly, we can rationalize properly, and look at the world in a different and a better way, more evolved than all the other creatures. But when I look at the world now, not now, most of the time when we look at it, we feel we as human have failed somewhere in using this rationality in its proper way. Don't you think so? So many times we have seen, you look at them, you know the animal. If it's a tiger, you know what to do. If it's a lion, if it's a bear, if it's a rabbit, if it's a wolf. But in man, there are different kinds of characters hidden in him, one after the other. You look like a sheep, but he'll be a lion or a wolf inside, or a jackal, or cunningness, jealousy. Different characteristics which we find so open among animals is so well hidden in them. ये एक के बाद एक पर्दा डालते रहते हैं अपने पे, इतने नकाब हैं हमारे इस ज़िंदगी में, हमारे चेहरे पर, कि अगर आप आदमी को उस ढंग से देखो जिससे वो सचमुच है, तो आप हैरान हो जाएंगे. This is what is happening most of the time. Like I have seen so many times people have looking at them, I said, oh, they're so nice, and I get carried away. We are so vulnerable, gullible. Why does it happen? That's because you think if you are good, you think the other person is also good. But therefore, use your rationality, use your reasoning power very carefully. Use wisdom to use this rationality. Then it will be a plus point for you. Because you are rational, you are also very cunning. You are also very conniving. You are also very manipulating. This is the sad part of it. Animals are not cunning. Whatever they are, they are. But in our case, we put that mask. So if it is there, okay, we can't avoid it. कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ऐसे ही हैं लोग. But if we can do that, then let me tell you, we can change a lot of things in society if we are be aware of what is happening. And when you become aware of what is happening or what the people are, then you can change yourself. And that will be a wonderful gift which you're going to give it to yourself. When you know that somebody is cunning, don't get cheated. Don't get carried away. Don't be gullible. Be smart. You can't change people. Only thing you can do is change yourself, and the world will be yours. Thank you, friends, for listening to me. We'll meet again next time. Bye till then. Take care.